What's up, Internet Marketers? Zach Paz of InternetMarketingGym.com. Today, I'm going to show you the top 3 WordPress plugins that you need on your WordPress site, on your blog. So watch this video in its entirety. You're going to like this. Okay, so here are the top 3 plugins you need on your WordPress site or blog. Okay, super important, essential. Okay, whatever blog I create, whatever site I create, I always have at least these 3 plugins activated on my site. Okay, and they're free. One of them isn't, but I know of an alternative I'm going to share with you as well. So the first one you need on your WordPress plugin, on your WordPress site or blog, I should say, is Jetpack by WordPress. This is a powerhouse of a plugin. There's so much this plugin does, so many features, so many things that I use on a daily basis. For example, it makes your images load faster. It creates a mobile friendly version of your blog or website. If you're, for example, if your theme, it doesn't have a mobile ready theme, then you're going to want Jetpack as well. It does so many things. Not only that, it gives you daily stats of traffic stats. It lets you know where your traffic's coming from. It lets you know what pages or blog posts are the most popular traffic wise. It tells you what people are clicking on. It's just so much information. I can't stress this enough. If you have a WordPress blog or website, you're going to want Jetpack. It's an amazing tool. So many features. And yeah, that's definitely number 1 for me. The next one I use is a cache plugin. It's called, where is it? See, I use a host. My hosting is, I host with Siteground. Okay, that's what this is called. SG, Siteground Optimizer. It's a cache plugin. What it does is just makes your site faster. Okay. And by the way, if you haven't heard of SiteGround, they are the best host. They're the best hosting service in the business. Just a little bit more pricier than the others, but well worth it. The support is amazing, and this plugin is an in-house plugin only. So it's called SiteGround Optimizer, and it makes your site way fast, super fast. Okay, but you might not be a SiteGround user or SiteGround. You might not be on the SiteGround host program. If not, then don't despair, because what I recommend is, well, the most popular one is by far WordPress Super Cache. But I think there's a lot of, it's kind of, there's a steep learning curve. There's a lot of options you can choose. A nice, easy solution, in my opinion, what I used before was Comet Cache. Just install it, and I think there's 3 things you have to click and you're done, and your site gets faster. Okay, so you definitely want a fast site. Okay, if you don't have a fast site, you're not only are you angering the Google gods, but you're also creating a poor user experience. And you want to please both, right? Google and of course, number 1 is the user, the person that lands on your site. You need to make your site faster. Comet Cache. If you're not with SiteGround, if you're with SiteGround and you haven't, make sure that you download and connect with SiteGround Optimizer. Okay, there's a link below talking about SiteGround and why I jumped ship to SiteGround. Okay, now for my third pick, and very important if you're creating content on the regular, is Yoast SEO. I don't recommend. I think Yoast SEO is superior to the other SEO plugins out there, and it's free. Okay, now I'm going to show you how that works right here. Here's a regular blog post of a review I did recently, Big Bang Profits review, and what you want to do is scroll down towards the bottom of your post, past the post actually. You're going to find this little area, this widget area right here. What you got to do is put the keyword you're targeting right here. That's all you got to do. Once you do that, Yoast SEO is going to go through your content and see if you're hitting all of the things you need to hit in order to actually be targeting this keyword you put in here. Okay, so as you can see, all you gotta do is follow these little bullet points here. So I have all of them are good. Okay, if something's out of whack, if they think you need a keyword in a certain place, maybe in the alt text of your image, then they're going to give you a little red bullet point saying, hey, you need to put this there. Okay, so all you got to do is follow these little bullets here, and once all these bullets turn green, like you see in this example here, then you're going to see up here, you're going to see SEO good. Okay, it also lets you know about the readability of your post, if it's good or bad or awkward or something. So once you do that, and you got your keyword in the right places, Yoast SEO will let you know. So those are my picks for the top 3 plugins that your WordPress blog should have. Okay, and those are the reasons why. Let me repeat again. You need your Jetpack by WordPress. You need a cache plugin. If you're not with Siteground, then I recommend you get Comet Cache because it's very easy and user friendly. If you have the time to figure it out, go after WordPress Super Cache, okay? And of course, Yoast SEO, because it lets you know how to optimize your content for the search engines. And that's it. I hope you had a great viewing experience and you learned a lot. Don't forget to subscribe. This is my channel, Internet Marketing Gym. This is Ike Paz, and I'll talk to you again later. Ciao.
Yo sigo cantando.